In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move text here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do, and if you can't move text, then I'm going to also give you a couple of solutions which should help you out. Now, nonetheless, once you have your text on the screen, now to get your text on the screen is really easy as well. We can either come to text just here and click on Add Heading, or we can use the keyboard shortcut, which is also T on the keyboard. If I click on there, we're going to get our text where we can just add whatever we want. Now, let me just delete that for a second. Let's go back, because to move this text is really simple. We can click onto the text and we can use this little icon underneath to move this all the way round, just like that. That's one way that we can move text. We can also just click onto the text, hold down, and then move to wherever we want, just like that. Now, let me move on to the next bit just here, because you might have some text behind some other text, or an element, an image, or anything like that. And no matter what you do, you can't get to that text to move. Well, that's because you're going to have to use the layer feature. So if we click on here, this is actually locked as well, which your text might be. So to unlock that, we click onto the text, just like this, and then we can click on this little icon just here where it says lock. Now if we click on there and then click again, it's now going to unlock and we can move. But if we come here, we're going to want to position this behind. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can click on the three dots just here and come to layers and move to the back. Now what we can also do is click onto the text, just come to position and click on backwards. Then that other text has been brought forward, which means that we can move it just like this. Now if we come onto this one and we try and move this, we can't, because this is actually locked as well. So what we want to do is click onto here and then click again where it says unlock, and now we can move that around. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to move text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.